Alright guys, I just want to quickly answer this question here. Someone asked me about this question. Say, what should be my niche? So anything can be your niche. So your niche can be the wristwatch that you put on your hand every day. Your niche can be the pillow that you put your head every day. Your niche can be the shoe that you wear. Your niche can be the makeup that you put on every day. Your niche can be your pet. Your niche can be your dog, the cat that you love so much. Your niche can be your kids. Your niche can be your home. Your niche can be anything that you love at all. Like, let's say your hobbies. Let's say the fitness that you love, the golf that you love to play. Anything that you consider you can write, you can help people about. So your niche can be anything at all. So now the first thing you want to put into consideration when choosing your niche is that when choosing your niche, all you want to believe that all niche are profitable. All niche you can make money in any niche that you choose. Okay, you don't want to say no, that niche is on tissue paper. People don't want to buy tissue paper or something of that nature. The first thing you want to do is you want to be helping people with that niche. The more people you help, the more your possibility of people coming to your website, your business, the more traffic you get, the more money you make with that niche that you choose. So you want to believe that your niche can be anything, and you also want to pick a niche that you know something about. If you don't know something about a niche, then you want to learn, you want to continue learning about it. Since you are going to be writing every day, you are going to be publishing every day about the niche. So you want to make sure that the niche that you pick, you are very passionate about it, you know something about it. Then if you don't know anything about it, then you may find it difficult to write about your niche. It is about helping people. The more people you help, the more traffic comes to your business, the more money you make. And when picking a niche, you want to narrow your niche down. Let's say you want to pick a niche on fitness. So you want to narrow it down to, let's say, you ask yourself which person I want to help. Do I want to help? Let's say I want to help women under 30 years of age to get fit. So which fitness do you want to help them with? Is it gym? Is it pilot, yoga, or eat, or bodybuilding? So let's pick yoga, for example. So now your niche is started to come together. So now you know that you want to help women of 30 years of age on yoga fitness. So another thing you don't want to do is you don't want to narrow your niche too low. So you want to narrow it, but not too narrow, so that you can grow from there. When you narrow it too much, you may not be able to expand your niche. Okay, so that's all I have for you today. I just want to answer this question here. Someone asked. Let me know what you think about this video here. Subscribe to this channel, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.